Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the shoe and workspace, then immediately test a small area so you know how the netting reacts. Use 91% isopropyl on a cotton swab, gently dabbing the hidden mesh. You want to dissolve surface yellowing without saturating the foam. Once the test shows safe color lift, switch to a soft toothbrush and a controlled rubbing motion, combining solvent and light mechanical action to break bonds of oxidation while avoiding stress on. You now move to a targeted peroxide treatment because it chemically reverses yellowing without harsh abrasives. Create a mild paste, apply to the netting, and cover with cling film to keep it moist so the peroxide works evenly. Make sure to monitor progress every 15 minutes so you stop as soon as color lifts. This prevents weakening fibers. Once acceptable, rinse with cool water and blot. Repeat one more cycle only if fading continues. Never exceed 2 full applications. You finish by rinsing and drying the mesh flat, out of direct sunlight to prevent heat-induced yellowing. Stuff the shoe to preserve shape. Once dry, inspect under bright light and do small spot touch-ups with 91% isopropyl if a faint haze persists, because it evaporates quickly and won't oversaturate the adhesive. If discoloration stays dense or fiber damage appears, consider a professional restorer, since aggressive bleaching or mechanical scraping can ruin the netting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.